Welcome back to Aside Hot. If you now look closely, you now go see say sweat plenty because the topic we dey discuss today na the one where they come up plenty smoke and it got to do with the 100-day of Oga Presido, the promise or no promise. Because the talk person of the All Progressives Congress, the party come and talk say Oga Presido no take him out. Talk say he go do anything in 100 days and say some of the documents when don't go around and he no sanction am. Even the senior talk person of Oga Presido himself, Alhaji Shehu Garubatu, don't come and talk say that document he no believe am. But plenty Nigerians they come and talk say when the documents been they go around and plenty Nigerians they see am they happy say yes, so we won't give our votes to person when we say if he enter this thing when he talk say he go do in 100 days he go do am. Why we can't get the case we get now? Nkubi, back to you again. I don't give you the floor to talk now. You don't want to talk.
No. For your own mind now, if you say you get today,
Which one? Which one?
If they just throw words,
you get any day when I know they get on top of the issue.
You are who?
Speaking for Nigeria.
You are who?
Speaking for my compatriots.
See,
yes.
the major things what we should be looking at this point in time.
Oh.
Hold on. Look, there are certain. Okay, you want to say at this point in time, Oga Muhammadu Buhari never take some important steps. If you say yes, with the same from here, I will not see those steps they take. You go really bring that change when Nigeria crave for. These are the issue of insecurity. You never they make move from. These are the issue of corruption. Never they make move from.
In the first 100 days.
These are the issue of infrastructure. Never they make move from.
In the first 100 days.
In the first 100 days. But don't they see the move?
But why come out to deny say you don't make promises say you go do it for 100 days?
Okay.
The bone of contention I say you make promise for 100 days but you don't make promise. Who could be?
Declaring of assets. Fine.
First 100 days.
Okay.
First 100 days. First 100 days.
But is that what Nigeria should be banking on?
Who could be? You make promise but you don't make promise.
Is that what Nigeria should be looking out for change rather than hold on.
Nigeria should be looking out for change. In the first 100 days. Because you use your mouth talk say see so when you go do. If you know if you do and come out apologize say no be to go and deny am say you know una no know anything about am.
No.
He mean say na fraud. He mean say na scam.
Say in deny I been talk say look he no be him talk am.
The talk person come out talk say
Nkubi. No be him talk am.
Nkubi make we come open this particular promise when they talk say the cause problem titled My Covenant. My covenant. First and foremost, how they take write this my covenant? It was written directly, not direct writing.
From
the person write them like say
from the very beginning of
President Muhammadu Buhari. He write them like say na President Muhammadu Buhari carry the Bible write them. He go detail the time when we say he starting campaign for Port Harcourt on the 5th of January. Go talk about the people when we say they give all the money when they get to Oga Presido. The writer writes this thing as if say na Oga President Muhammadu Buhari na they use the hand the writer.
As part of the write-up,
when this letter come out before the election, anybody come and talk say Oga Presido
you see
why he come and say now they don't deny am.
So you see someone Oga Muhammadu Buhari take your own man talk say yes I will do this
you will not be lucky today. Lucky is calling us from Warri.
You will not be lucky. Don't tell me I will not be lucky.
3-0.
Don't tell me I will not be lucky. What is that?
3-0. Oga Lucky from Warri, good morning.
It don't do you.
Me and you go put one leg inside one trouser.
Oga Lucky, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Lucky.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You see, we will not fight for this Nigeria wahala. The last week I just talked about the 7-point agenda, which APC gave to us as at when they were campaigning. Nkubi, let us face fast. APC, they not give us 7-point agenda.
They did, yes.
They gave us 7-point agenda, and they are supposed to follow it one after the other.
Okay.
We just look at the time. The time is going. With the talk of pro. Up till today, there is nothing done. Take Europe, for example. Ordinary coach, right inside field. If they beat your team, the way you don't like, right on the spot, the coach will resign immediately. But in Nigeria case, for example, now see the thing when Buhari talk, lie don't come. He say Buhari not talk like that. Buhari, now they tell us lie, lie. Now they tell us lie because his name na lie.
Oga Lucky. Yeah, we will get your own opinion. Hold on. We get your
thank
point.
you very much
but
for giving me 3-0.
We will say because they find two person name want to say because of saying name relate with them. What is your
Oga Lucky,
yes.
we before election. Now come and we all the we that we to we. Come and we it. We will do this, we will do that, we will do this. Now it don't reach.
Oh, listen. Respect
No,
yourself.
they use left hand pointing.
Listen,
no, they use left hand pointing.
In as much as
no, they use left hand pointing.
In as much as
never point me with your left hand.
In as much as
if you point with left hand,
program.
point you back with left hand. Never point me with left hand.
In as much as me
so
and
you
you
dey
here.
point person with left hand.
I don't point am. I don't point am.
Emma from
Allow me
Abuja.
talk.
Emma from Abuja. If you point me, I'll point you back.
Chukudi.
You too.
Chukudi.
You too.
Chukudi.
You too.
Ima, no be Emma.
Emma.
Ima, good morning.
Emma.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Emma, good morning.
Oh, you see,
now this na woman voice.
Now another promise one I don't fail with this. Emma, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No, they greet Nkubi. No, they greet them. You know they speak for now.
We'll miss you. Good morning.
Thank you. See how they miss
for
me.
coming back.
Thank you very much.
Cool down.
Okay.
Cool temperature down.
Okay.
The truth be say, 100 days or no 100 days. You know, say, when we hear you go do something, we say we go one follow do one.
Thank you.
When we hear you go set standard, we say we want follow set the standard.
Thank you.
Nothing really day ground where we dey set 100-day standard. Not be Nigeria where we for follow set that standard. We for set our own standard different from
okay.
But the truth be say, things don't dey change. We don't dey see.
Thank you very much, Emma.
Yes. Oga Buhari don dey lay.
Thank you very much.
Say things go work. Make we leave this 100 days matter.
Oh.
Because we know they like other countries. But the only thing wey me I say be say if the APC will make 100 days promise and they no fit fulfill am, it is better make them come tell Nigerians say, see because of this, we no fit do am the way we talk.
Rather than denying.
Because now so it starts when to take people for granted.
Thank you, Emma. 21 salute for you. 21 salute.
Now only that one, but me I don't expect say they go be heaven, be earth for 100 days. But at least make them come out and say, see I beg because of this, give us time.
Thank you.
The only thing why they talk be that.
Thank you very much, Emma.
Because Nigeria now our own, it go
yes.
Thank you. Emma,
in fact,
thank you very much. Making this thing 4-0.
For extending,
thank you for making it 4-0.
Putting me in place. Say yes, I get points.
Which
Kazim
place?
is calling us. Who are you?
Which place?
Kazim is calling us from Kano. Good morning, Kazim. Kazim, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, we're here. Right on.
Good morning, Uncle D.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uncle D.
Oga Kazim, I greet you.
Yes, so I'm calling from Kano.
Okay.
I have opportunity to just say my mind about what is happening about the 100 days.
Okay.
Actually, what is happening is like these APC people, they forget about saying that Nigerians are very smart. If they make a promise to Nigerians today, the Nigerians are always restricted to see that promise being fulfilled.
Okay.
But actually what is going on with APC is like they are playing their game like the way Nigerians will not understand it. If you make a promise to Nigerians, a written document is circulating. I doubt if these people are not visual and careful enough to know that somebody is forging their agenda. But is it right now that they are coming on air telling Nigerians these statements, they are not being their own ministers, they are not coming to their own agenda? We are all smart. Let's, for example, coming down to my state where I'm calling from, the first governor used to pay the salary on the 25th. As I'm speaking to you up to this moment, they did not pay the salary, which is not part of the APC agenda. Everybody is coming now with a different agenda that is not benefiting the Nigerians. If something's coming down to benefit Nigerians, it's coming straight away. Despite your political region, your tribal, your religion, we are going to deliver Nigeria to the promised land. If it is in your own house, that your family, you promise your family, you provide them with the care, food, everything that you supposed to deliver to the family, what are you telling the family? In the first place, if you cannot fulfill the promise, you shouldn't be making the promise in the first place.
Okay.
That's my own contribution.
Thank you very much, Oga Kazim, for your own contribution.
5-0. 5-0.
Hey, stop the count.
I don't say when you see
stop
say,
the count.
Cousin calling from Kano, your mind begin to sweet say, hey, I go get one person. But
See,
Kubi, let the truth be told. Let the truth be told. Let us tell Nigerians the truth. Let us tell Nigerians the truth.
I reason with what you talk. Yes, say why you go come and make the promises in the first place, and then make also be and say people will make this promise have followership of this Oga Mohammed Bari, but Oga Mohammed Bari no talk on himself. Let me collect this call from Victor. Victor is calling us all the way from Warri. Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Uncle B, good morning.
Good morning.
See, as the matter day for Nigeria now, we Nigeria, we always allow this politician deceive us.
Oh, okay.
If we look the prospect of APC, where before they even enter the federal government level, all the states where they don't govern for the Southwest, if you go look them well, they don't really perform for there. I always tell my guys, say, all these parties where they won't vote for the election we just passed, say they don't really get prospect, they don't really do different for the one we send come out to that side. They hear me?
Will they hear Victor, right on?
So the APC now party will be saying now on top propaganda they build down. So me don't really expect too much from them. And as the matter even reach now, they don't even form my hand already. Because all the things they don't promise, corruption, they never even start. Because if you really Buhari won't fight corruption, they're all the people who support, who surround them, they are not clean for the matter. So he's supposed to start with them. Now that time, he go feel convince us to be Nigeria, say it really won't work.
Oga Victor, thank you very, very much for this point when we say you don't raise. Nkubi, you don't see where you carry and go. Respond. No, respond.
Wait.
No, respond.
For you to, know yourself as an individual.
Wish yourself.
Hold on.
Wish yourself.
Not respond. Not respond. I want to respond. You know yourself as an individual.
Why you answer my question with proverb? I ask you question. Go straight.
You are an integral. You say you get integrity, and for you to make sure say you clean up the system, you need to.
For documents when carry the logo of your party.
Okay, hold on, talk.
He was written in the first person.
Will I let me talk?
Not far from Lokoja. Me and you today. You are in trouble. Don't point at me.
Don't point at me too. Unofa, good morning. Don't point at me.
Hello.
Will I hear you, Unofa? Good morning, Jare.
Okay, good morning, Kubi.
Yes.
You are welcome back.
Thank you very much.
See, the matter we take from this here, every day we tell ourselves the truth. We know how this country be before Buhari collect them.
Thank you.
So, maybe you don't expect, say, all those things where they talk, say they go do them.
Okay.
Country where they say, it just be like motor where don't get accident. Now then they try to put engine,
Thank
put
you.
tire. They talk, say, they move at 200 kilometers per hour.
Thank
you. That. See, now the truth be that. So, see,
Hold on.
Don't ask him any question. Don't ask him any question.
Oga Unofa, you dey hear me?
Wait till you ask him.
Yeah, I hear you.
They make promise, abi they no make promise.
They make promise.
One. Now, as Oga Unofa,
Hold on, you make.
Oga Unofa,
Wait.
As they no fulfill the promise now, the right thing to do now to go tell Nigeria. Don't tell me to hold yourself up by talking.
Let them talk.
And they ask some question in the response. Why they cut me?
Unofa, continue. We dey hear you.
Why they cut me?
Unofa.
See, Chukudi, they make promise. But make I ask you, do you know why they don't
now,
fulfill the
come out
promise?
and tell Nigeria say you don't fit fulfill the promise. No be to deny say you don't make any
know why
promise.
they,
That's the
you know why they
question.
don't
That's the
fulfill
problem.
it? You know, say not be because they don't steal money. They never steal money. That's because money not there.
Who no Oga Unofa come out tell Nigeria say see wetin dey ground. We no fit fulfill wetin we promise. No be to come and tell us say una wan deny the document.
Make we hear Unofa.
You cannot tell us that you wan deny it.
Even federal government, they never receive salary. Why would they expect too much?
Ogonova, thank you very, very much. Thank you.
He accepted. He said, why would they expect too much? Nigerians, they expect too much because of all the promises when they make. Now, on top of this program, they might come and talk say, we no elect magician. We no elect Jesus Christ. We no elect miracle worker.
Thank you very much.
But the party cannot deny.
The fact is,
the party cannot deny. Saying that he promise, I mean, they don't make the promise.
The individual was not talk so. That is the question you ask yourself.
My covenant with Nigerians, the thing carrying the logo of APC, I be no carry. My covenant with Nigerians, he carried the name of Mr. President Abi no carry. My covenant with Nigerians, they spread around Nigeria before the election, they don't spread them.
As long as this government stands, at least we don't see drastic changes. We don't see changes so far. And changes that we say Nigerians go there impressed with. Look, promises are being made, but now all the promises people they fulfill.
If you fail on your promise,
now all the promises
the first step now to come and talk say we don't fail.
Make promises.
We don't
but
fail.
Then they even meet up with all the promises
and then they come and they tell their country people say we sorry say we make this promise. See what it be. But for you as the talk person of your party to go out talk say that thing when una see, no be like that it be. Now it be say na fraud. Now it be say na scam. Now it be say na 419.
Oh, it don't do you. It don't do you. Oga Sam, they call it. It don't do you.
No, they tell me say
it don't do you.
No, they tell me say don't do me.
It don't do you.
No, they tell me say don't do me.
No
even come they speak Igbo, they join the
Oga
talk.
Sam, good morning. All the way from Ikotun.
Good morning, Ezigo Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam. Adeves.
I they understand you well, though.
Thank you.
And many Nigerians understand you well.
Thank you.
Nkubi.
Good morning.
You are welcome back from your sojourn.
Thank you very much, sir.
God bless you.
And you too, sir.
That seat has been very vacant. Because since you coming to fill it now, yesterday today, it don't get hot, more. You are welcome back.
Thank you very much.
Now, let me give you some spiritual background. The word of God says in Genesis chapter 6, the wickedness of man is so high that God regretted creating man. So just for everything man says in his heart is evil continually. That is why APC will deny whatever they have said to this nation that's called Nigeria. Can you remember a man called Idiagbon? In 1983, the coup that he first came to be. He was number 2 man in government with Buhari. And that man was hard as the man ruling this country with discipline. But today, Buhari has ascribed himself as a disciplinarian. That man, they invited him to Aso Rock and injected poison inside water he drank, and he died. Today, we cannot remember that man called Idiagbon. We are not nature of history that we keep history to the limit and where we can find things working hard. See, APC is a party of about five members. CPC, if you see the appointment of Buhari now, is someone CPC came out of to come into APC. CPC is more favor in this appointment making now. Then, see, Ogbonna is for chairman of ANPP. He's not more talking silent because he has minority grip in APC. And those who came from PDP came majority. They are forming a very formidable bloc against the best way is that APC will be fighting themselves until friends will come and go, and we are achieving nothing. They promised us so much. Even Buhari himself made so many categorical statements that today he's silent on them. And let me make one particular reference again. Custom is a technical service, but today they have always been military to rule customs. They will kill customs again. You find that the next 4 years.
Oga Sam, as the talk they go, the thing not the enter your body. Thank you very much for this important contribution where you don't make. We appreciate that. Thank you. Nkubi, the call they the same. People don't come and talk say okay when before they enter, they don't know say na like this the thing dey. Now when they don't enter, they don't see the way when the thing dey. Why you don't come and tell Nigeria say you make mistake?
We get Ezugo. Ezugo, they call us all the way from Onitsha.
Hello, I want to ask a question.
Okay.
I want to ask Nkubi a question.
Are they here, Oga Ezugo?
Nkubi, if person tell you say in next 100 years you will add half, say you go talk.
That is not possible.
And they come. And that next 100 years, you know talk. They go talk say do you 419.
Because men don't go even accept them. Because I know some go talk in the next 100 years.
If you send a 419 letter, and you come pay you money, you promise and say you give them for $5 million. If you don't give them that for $5 million, no be
But Oga Ezugo, may I ask you one question?
Answer a question before you answer. No answer.
You never answer my question.
You no answer am. Answer a question before you answer.
No, what I'm saying in essence is that this is 419. I believe the integrity of Buhari is at stake.
Okay.
As a respectable retired soldier, he should come out and apologize to Nigerians. I said, please, this 100 days that we have promised you, we have failed. Nigerians will accept that as a failure. And then he will give us another promise. Being in the office, he must have seen the areas, there are loopholes. Then we tell Nigeria in next 2 months or thereabout, see what I will do. The Nigerians will hold on because Nigerians, they know how to exercise patience. But if you keep on defending failure, that is where Nigerians will not believe his integrity.
Okay.
Because the most important thing now AC have is the integrity of the Mr. President. So they should not be gambling with it. Because Nigerians, if they lose hope, then that will be a trouble to the party.
Thank you very much.
And as the ninth caller when we say we don't get today, you don't make this one flawless victory. 9-0. Sunday from Ikorodu. 10-0.
Sunday, never hear what you Sunday.
They hear am. Oga Sunday, good morning, sir.
Oga Sunday, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Sunday. I dey vex, but I dey control myself.
Oga good morning.
Good morning.
For this matter, only problem when Nigeria get true. Maybe APC member, all those people, they fit come out and make promise, right? I don't stand against that.
Okay.
But the only promise when Nigeria get, we see, we know the exercise patience at all. All this, our hurry, where we dey hurry so. Now we hurry, say president no quick appoint ministers. He promised September, latest September, he go appoint ministers. Now he don't appoint ministers now. We still they argue.
He never appoint ministers.
Never appoint ministers.
Okay, fine. Now, about this promise, over 100 days in the office. So, see, we dey see some changes. More talk the truth.
Thank you.
More just talk the truth.
Thank you.
Now, some refineries they work for Nigeria. They among of the promise. We they see light. Oga Chukwudi, they see light for your area.
Oga Sunday.
They are not among the
promise. Finish talk.
See, there are some changes.
Oga Sunday, thank you very much. You don't make very important points.
Yes,
make we quickly rush, go this break. When we come back, we'll continue our discussion as it dey hot.
Why not let Sunday finish in talk?
He don't talk finish.
When did he finish?
And they come back to fire you and Oga Sunday.
Fire who?
We will see am. Welcome back to As it dey hot. Based on the level where we dey now, the final bus stop, now we dey go. So, as it take concern the important discussion where we carry come today, the 100 days, promise or no promise. And we don't break them down, say a lot of Nigerians don't they react to the talk when we say the senior talk person of Oga Presido, Alhaji Shehu Garuba, and also the talk person of the All Progressives Congress, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, they make the distance Oga Presido from documents when they go around before the election, my covenant, when talk say in 100 days, he gets some kind so things when we say Oga Presido go do. And we go make them clear, say for Chatham House, when Oga Presido bin go for United Kingdom, they ask him the question, say, this 100 days, what be the things when we say, go do, he come talk, say that 100 days, he know, say, the way when Nigeria dey, he no be miracle worker, he no be magician, say, no go just wave him finger, and things go clear. But people come and talk, say, as you don't make this promise, say, he carry your party logo, he carry your name, and the right up be like, say, na your hand right arm, you suppose do am or apologize to Nigerians.
But he talk for Chatham House, I be no talk am.
He go round before election, I be no go round.
He talk for Chatham House, I be no talk.
He carry the party logo, I be no carry the party logo.
But Nigerians saw all this promises.
He carry his name, I be no carry his name.
But at least we be Nigerians.
They use am campaign, I be they no use am campaign.
I will not be Nigerians.
Nigerians believe am, I be they no believe am. They
okay.
come out to vote, I be they no come out to vote.
Okay.
You dey ask me, I ask you back.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, okay.
Good morning,
We dey fine.
Make a contribute a beg.
Okay.
You see this matter, you did two ways. First of all, the first day, I remember the first day I contributed to this show. There's something I said. The beautiful city of Rome were not built in a day.
Okay.
That one is number one. Then secondly, no be that much where they take go collect money, now they use do waiting, pay and back.
Okay.
That's why we call it politics. Politicians will promise you heaven and earth too. But at the end of the day, they do the one way they their mind. But what I want to know is that we need, what thing they keep me going in life, now patience and focus and honest also. This man, if he believes say, he know fit or the money never day or he never reach, he know fit achieve all those things. Now he no need to deny and say he no talk am. All he need to do now to come out, plead for Nigerians to see get that person where they run the gate. For him to tell us under 100 days, me I know see he no go work, he no go work out. Because he no be magician, that one and number one. And second, he no be God. So me I believe say we still need to give him time. All these things I know say it go happen. But I know see it happening right now, it go happen later. Thank you, and God bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much, Ogoke, for this contribution. You don't hear Ogoke.
This is where Ogoke talk now. This don't make my mind dey at rest.
Of course. Now through him talk.
Ogoke don't complete am. We don't get call from Kano. We don't get call from Onitsha. We don't get call from Lokoja. And this one don't go round. Nigerians are ably represented on this platform. Say, If you make promise and you no fit fulfill your promise, instead of denying say you no make that promise, come out and apologize to Nigerians. Say okay oh, before we see say na like this thing dey. Now wetin we talk with this, but now we don say we are sorry. But to disassociate yourself from that document is a scam, is fraudulent,
and what if
these
promises eventually can't come into place
in the first 100 days?
No, even without the first 100 days.
In the first 100 days.
Without the first 100 days.
Nkubi, if you promise pikin say if you go this message come back, or if you carry first for exam, if you show me your result, excuse me,
as an individual, I cannot make a promise I cannot fulfill.
So you are
Muhammad Buhari did not use his own mouth
the political party when they represent, why the political party when we say that their logo dey on top of ballot paper, can't carry all these promises,
even call the state for documents, look, 100 days, no be as they say na im be. We know if you don't meet up with all those things.
Who be the person when chronicle the way when we say Oga President take starting campaign for that my covenant with Nigerians? Who be the person when write that thing? When write am like say now President Muhammadu Buhari carry biro, they write am. Mention the 90-year-old man when give her money. Mention the 9-year-old girl when give her money. Mention all the pledge when he make, when he talks okay, we go tackle corruption, we go tackle insecurity, we go tackle power. If you cannot keep your promises, apologize to Nigerians. Do not disassociate yourself from promises.
It don't do you now. I don't hear you. I don't hear you. I've been saying, waiting. Okay, Yusuf, they call us since you did this thing. Okay, Yusuf, good morning. Okay, Yusuf.
How you dey?
We dey fine.
Okay, Okuvi.
Yeah.
You go live long.
Thank you very much.
Who say your water no go boil and one no go hot? I do hear me.
Would they hear you?
You know, say when PDP they rule for 16 years. What did PDP do for this country? No road, no better water, nothing. What did PDP do? Now, when first way he enter, he not reach 3 days. Now, when they expect to do something for one night. Now, magician he be.
Okay, so now question where they ask as well. Now the same questions, people they react to and say no, but he make promises, and for that reason, that promises where he make, say he's supposed at least either fulfill or make apologize to Nigeria and say we no feel finish, or we no even feel achieve.
Apologize the one where we na the rule for 16 years, where we na promise for heaven and air. We na not do anything. Now this one now we want to apologize for that way the rule for 3 days, where you not reach anywhere. More be patient, more give this man little time. Now we be people where our body they hot, but we need to give a little chance more know what this guy want to do. You know, say the money they scatter everything for grant. But if you see the grant now, but things no they go where. You must take around, look at some other things where you scatter.
Yes.
Like somebody make one comment that time that if your motor have accident. To repair our but not be easy to you. Many things compress inside. Okay. Are you get me now? Like we there for nature data. Now we they provoke pass, but the only thing we need
Yusuf,
to
thank you very much. You don't make very important points. We don't get your point. We get Oga Obiora from Yola in there on the line. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwu. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Chukwu, I beg, I want to help you remember for that Edo State town hall meeting. Now they have asked President as far as then, and now President has promised that all these promises where you may remember.
Thank you.
And again, Nkubi, if you promise somebody something, if you know do and tell the person sorry.
Thank you.
Make we know they tell us say they deceive us. Not they say we don't know something. And you come they tell us say when they promise why we go agree. Why we not go agree? Nobody not promise us say we go do. We say okay, we'll go to now. Now you come down back there, they ask us why we can't agree. Say we promise. What we are saying is that.
But this is just
allow him land. Allow him land.
Let them bring somebody out who the person in court. Tell the person for 100 days. Then we will see. First court will start today. First probe will start today. So I don't know how to do something. This thing is.
Oga Obiora, thank you very much. You don't make your
very
point.
much.
Nigerians, we be different people, but we be children of the same mama. Even though we get different points of views, it is very important. Say make all of us still agree all of us dey agree say the kind work wey we get to do for our country na work wey we say all of us go do together. We must join our hand together to move our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic wey dey comot smoke. All our callers, we thank una. All the people wey dey watch, we thank una. Na because of una, we dey get our ginger. Nkubi, apologize.
Bye-bye till tomorrow.
Apologize
bye
now.
No tell me,
you must apologize.
If you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.